There we go. I think that was the issue. Okay. Alright, I'm just prepping things real quick. I'm not ready entirely just yet. I just gotta go to my YouTube. Shut up, phone. I know I'm live. And then I gotta get the comment section working real quick. Shut up. Yeah. Right. No, I just heard myself. I forgot I have speakers disabled, so you guys can't hear what I just heard. Now I gotta pop out chat somehow. Here we go. And then now I can close that tab, and I guess we're good now. It's been a minute since I've last been live. I'm back into the business again of making maps. I'm in a good mood for it today. And hopefully I can maintain this mood and keep it going forever, you know what I mean? Like, so I can keep things in sync and get things done. Hey, Creeper Gaming. Go ahead. Oh, bad timing. Again?
This is falling apart.
Oh, Jesus. What did James
Careful,
do?
careful. It was a friend at school who said,
Oh, shoot. Well, I have to redo the whole puzzle, because now blue and blue don't go together. So I don't know what he took apart this time. Okay, I'll have to fix the Rubik's Cube later. Alright. I have to repair another Rubik's Cube. Fun stuff. Alright, hang on. Let me close my door. Stop sign on. Shut my door. This is that. Okay. So, yes, we're resuming this progress again. I believe last time I was working on this, I was trying to figure out a HUD display thing. And instead of complicating it and making what Van Jamali wanted, which was a scrolling hotbar. Scrolling hot wheel. Okay. Scrolling hotbar, where once you hit the 8th one and then you go this way, it would add and make it 9 and stuff. I said screw that, honestly, because I already made this power system thing for the HUD, and I'm totally fine with it. I'd rather not have to remake this HUD thing, so it's all good. How was the FNAF2 map? As of right now, I'm programming the basics. I have yet to make any screenshots or textures. I just picked this up again. So, where we last left off is we already have all the characters ready to go, I guess. Oh yeah, this was for the screenshot. No, this isn't the screenshot. I forgot this one was the, playing map part, like where the players actually play. Because the other map is for screenshots. I forgot about that. Okay. So right now I'm just programming the game. And I'm just programming the basics, like the power HUD and all that stuff, which is actually working right now. So if I were to put, like, different HUD stuff on here, like Night 3, Night 4, you name it, it would update properly. And, if, like, power digit 1 was, like, 10 or 2 or something. And, you know what I mean? It's still working, so we're all good. As if it was FNAF 1. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm bringing the code from FNAF 1, my V2.0, and bringing it into FNAF 2 V2.0, and reprogramming it in the game, because I have to add the scores and stuff again. So I don't have to truly reprogram it. Like, I don't have to redo all this code. Like, all this code and everything up here. I don't have to redo all this, because all I have to do is just make some changes if there's any changes or anything. It's just basically add the scoreboards again, make the entities, you name it. The left and right doors are working for the light part. Also, I do have a field of view slider now on. It's at 85 right now, so, I might have to reset that because I don't know if everyone plays on specifically what I have, which is 85. I'm just going to take a wild guess and say that everyone plays on normal FOV. But I definitely like the 85 slider, so when it comes to cameras and stuff, I'll definitely work on it when it's only default field of view, so that I'm not misjudging the thing, and, like, let's say someone had normal field of view on, then it would look wrong, but if someone had 85, it would look perfect, you know what I mean? Like, just to prevent that kind of shit from happening. Flashlight for the hallway, I believe that's next, yes, but I'm just trying to add everything HUD-wise first. And I gotta make a system where it's, I gotta figure out what I need to do again, because it's kind of like reverse engineering, almost, where I go back into my code and look at what I did and just replicate it. But, the thing is, what I need to do is I need to make a force TP again. So there's force TP right here. Okay, so basically, like I said, I'm going back into the code and looking to see what the tags I used for each entity were, so that I could just summon the entity, add the tags, and it would work. I'm gonna set the armor stone on this block specifically right here. Now, like, once again, I am gonna mention that I need to redo a lot of, like, coordinates and stuff, because coordinates are definitely different. Yeah, I gotta make more models, which is fine. I'm not that worried about models. I'm sure I'll be fine with the models. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. Especially, like, desks and stuff. The thing I wasn't a fan of was making the characters' faces. That was the hardest part. Because a lot of attention to detail went into that. No gravity, just in case, as well. I don't know what else it needs. Invisibility, definitely. Well, actually, no, don't worry about the... I'm not going to worry about the invisible part yet. And, we'll figure that out in a minute. Okay, so now I do /function FNAF2 active scripts. Force TP. Okay, so now I have the... Oh. Okay, so I got the force TP working, but now I can't move my head. Oh, the force TP... Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I know what the force TP is for. It's for, like, whenever you activate the camera and everything. Oh, yeah, okay. So, I think the player's gonna have to stand where the arrows are. That's why I used these blocks. So, I just need to do... tag equals force TP soft run TPSL. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. First try. Alright. So, now if I were to run the force TP, this is where I'd be locked in place and also teleported when the time is right. Like, especially if I'm using a camera or something. So now... And now we just make him invisible. Okay, so now we have the force TP done. Let's see here. Like I said, I'm just going through the basics right now. Like, there's a lot to be done here to double check and make working. And also to delete or recode completely. So right now, like I said, I'm just going through the basics and I'm gonna get things working. So right now, the next system I kind of want to work on already would be the cameras. So I need to get a camera activate script. Where is that? Camera HUD loop cam slot. No. Oh yeah, that's the unused thing. We're not using that. No. Yeah, we're not using that script. Yeah, that was the script that me and Van were gonna make to do the slots and everything, but no, we're getting rid of that. I'm just gonna put unused for now because I don't know if I'm gonna need that back. Better to keep it as unused than to delete it. So I have no idea if we're even needing this or not. The jump scares you're going to make for them jump at you like they're jumping? Yes. Yeah, hang on. I'm just trying to think right now. I can't really think of other things yet. Hang on. So I kind of lost my train of thought as soon as I read that. I mean, it's not your fault. Don't worry. I'm just trying to focus here for a second. I'm trying to remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, camera activate thing. So when the game activates, this is the generic startup right here. Now, I know there was the generic prank and stuff like that. That was going to be something for, like, Golden Freddy. If you were to start up the night as 1987 on custom mode. But that was never fully implemented. Like, the prank part. But there still was the jump scare for 1987. But there wasn't, like, the prank part. We were going to work on that, but I never finished it. Okay, so we got player HUD, time, pirate song, Camera test for it, that's what it was. Okay, so it was just in cameras. Honestly, I thought it was going to be in active scripts. Okay, here we go. So, executive score. Okay, if I have a carrot on a stick. Also, I am curious why I haven't gotten a carrot on a stick in the first place when I go to adventure. So, let me go take a look into that as well in just a minute. But I'm going to double check in night setup. No, generic, sorry. We can close night setup. We can close this. I'm just going to close some things I don't need open right now. Oh yeah, the ad test, we don't need that anymore. I don't think. So we can just leave that be. Let's see here. So, generic. Is there any item givers? Yeah, it's right here. I would have gotten it as soon as I spawned in. Okay. I mean, I could add that to player HUD. I don't know why I didn't. Unless I did, I have no idea. Oh, I did. It's right here. I must be missing a score then. Oh, it has to be night active as 1 and camera ready. That's the missing command. Camera ready. Scoreboard player set. Camera ready. Debug. 1. Okay, that was the reason why. And I don't have a carrot on a stick icon. Or not icon, model yet. So I gotta go bring that in. Okay, I got it in. Now there's a lot in here that's happening as well too. Just gonna expand this a bit if I can grab the edge though. And I'm also gonna shrink this. Nope, I gotta hit control. Nope. Oh, shit. What the fuck? I don't know. How do you zoom in? Oh, I gotta hold. Oh, okay, I got it. It's the scroll wheel. Okay. There we go. So now I can see more of what's going on over here, but I don't think I need that zoomed out. Actually, I'm kind of chill with that right there. That's not bad. Okay. Maybe... Yeah, right here's fine. It's whatever. Alright. Okay, so item, blocks. There's a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna need. Camera, folder. I gotta check my new folder. Minecraft. Well, we gotta go to the models folder. So we have the item folder, item empty, block camera. Nope. Block camera. Bring that in there. Block camera, item door. The hell's the item door? I do not remember. No, don't drag. I gotta copy paste. Did the grab pack work? No, I never got it to work. I just kind of did that for fun, but it's whatever. And then the camera folders. Do we have the camera folders? Models? Nope. Camera folder. I'm slapping that in there now. Okay, so now I got all the camera stuff in there. Block, and then camera close. Now, I could just copy-paste everything, but I'm working on trying to get rid of things we don't need. So that's why I'm just, like, you know. And also, I'm going to be making new models. Like, new folders, sorry, for organization. No. We're going to do it here. So, camera, probably. Opt. Oh, no. HUD. I'm going to put this as HUD. If I can do the thing. HUD/options. And then, of course, opt/ new folder. And where did we get this from originally? I think it was item or something. So, OP. There we go. I found it. Got it. Boom. So now that's all organized. That's why I wanted to do this too, is because I really wanted to organize everything. Because, you know, just for convenience sake. So HUD, mute, night empty, power 1 through 5 is fine. Being there, I don't mind that. Camera HUD, okay. So camera HUD, and everything should be in here. Items and all that stuff. Yeah, it's all in there. It's gotta be. And of course these are all empty because I was going to use... These were just extra slots, by the way. Whenever I have more than one item / empty in here, that means it's just an empty slot just in case I need to add a new model into here. So I don't have to like keep cleaning this and just basically doing this and getting rid of that area. And if I need to add more, I could just have it right here ready to go. And I could just put like the new model in there without having to add this stuff again. So that's probably why there's a lot of item / empties in some of these models. Like especially like source models like carrot on stick and stuff like that. Gunpowder. It's natural because I just want to save some slots to add more models if needed, but I kind of forgot to clean it up after the project was done, but it's alright. Okay, so now... Oh, don't go... Wait, are we done? Yeah, we're done with the camera HUD. Okay, cool. So carrot on a stick should be now modeled properly. Now, we may be missing textures. I didn't look at textures. Yes, we are missing textures. Okay. Let me go take a look at that now. That's the next step I completely missed. So... I need to go to model block. Actually, now that I think of it, I could totally move block camera and camera closed into camera. So it'd be like camera / camera now. Okay, so camera, and then just normal camera. I need to get the... Okay, so these are the blocks I need. Okay. Which, of course, like I said, I need to go into these models and redo some of them. Like, not models, the model folders like this, and just basically change textures, names, and file paths. Because now some of them are completely different names and texture locations and stuff like that. So this is what we're going to do for the next few minutes, is I'm going to go through carrot on a stick real quick, and I'm going to look for every texture that's necessarily needed for it. Like big models, not like models that are HUD or anything. I don't have to worry about HUD, I just need to worry about models. So item, door, okay, camera empty, models, camera, what is camera empty? Oh, it's an empty camera, literally. Okay. So yes, I'll need that. Camera empty. Camera HUD. So HUD and then HUD template. Template 2, HUD kitchen. And then camera west hall corner. Interesting. Very interesting. Why do I have this in here? Camera west hall corner. That's not even a thing anymore. That doesn't exist. Oh, it does. Sorry, I'm stupid. It's a folder. I don't know why I need that, because that's an actual different item. This isn't the right this isn't the right thing to do the HUD. If anything, it's just literally camera HUD and stuff too. Okay. But it's only for the player to right-click with. The way you're coding looks like you're hacking. Well, not really. It's just coding. If I was hacking, it would be all in green, and I'd be it'd be totally different. Which honestly, I don't know anything about that kind of stuff. You know, like that's just out of my league. But yeah, I get what you mean, because I'm basically taking my coding and models and stuff again, and just changing the texture paths to make them look good again. I mean, I could totally just scrap what I'm doing right now and just basically just copy the whole entire texture pack and paste it in here again and just add anything new or change things. But I'm taking the extra step right now to go through it and organize. I want to organize this because I want to lower the confusion, especially for anyone who wants to learn about the data pack or textures, whatever, or want to use any of my models and stuff, but mainly to also keep things organized and a lower size of the files and stuff, so it's not such a big file space. I know I shouldn't have to really worry about file space and like stuff like that, but it's great to at least throw out things I'm duplicating or don't need, and lowering that file size may help with some people depending on how much storage they have. And it's less to load on the game as well. But it's just mainly for organization's sake. I mean, I need to start getting more organized. Like, the last Racers pack was a mess. And there was a lot of things I could have done simpler, but it's alright. Okay, so back to here. So West Hall Corner. I don't think we have to worry about the West Hall Corner one. I think that was just for debugging, which I'm going to use again as a debug, which is fine with me. Camera close HUD. Excuse me. Okay, I got the camera closed HUD. We don't have to worry about the options because those are HUD. These are all HUD as well, and we can now go into here and just kind of look for all the texture files. Okay. So button 2, that's now going to be in here. Which button? I'm trying to remember. I think button 2 on the original texture pack, which I also have here, even though this is FNAF 2, like, and it doesn't say new texture pack, this is just my copy. Instead of accidentally dragging something in here that could have been from the original FNAF MCV 2.0 texture pack and having to reinstall that or something, you know what I mean? So I'd rather just make a duplicate of the same folder and just basically copy-paste whatever you name it. And what's funny, too, is I have the right to copy-paste because it's my content. My coding. My work. Also, I'm going to scoosh this down a bit. This can kind of go to the side. And I'm also going to kind of shrink this because I just realized I can't read chat. Whoops. I can't really read chat when I have this over off screen because I had it like on the wrong side. I mean, if anything, I could probably put it over here a little further away or something, but it's whatever. Okay. So button 2 is original texture file. So texture block button 2. Wait, does it not exist? Oh, wow. Okay. I guess I moved it somewhere. Okay. I'm just trying to remember what button 2 was. I mean, I could just go into the FNAF 2 v2.0 as well, just to double check what it was. Which is another reason why I didn't want to use that as the source. Okay, so button 2 is a... oh. Okay, so button 2 is like a darker red. Looks to be. Okay. So it needs to be like red. Old red right there. We're going to use old red. So solid. Old red. Okay. Cam side. So let me see here. Textures block, cam side. Where is it? Cam side. Oh, it's like a solid color again. Okay. Actually, no, it's not. It's different. I'm going to copy it anyways and bring it in here. So it'd be fine in blocks because that's definitely block texture. And then black concrete. So basically just pitch black, so solid black. And then particle is going to be solid black as well. Or actually, no, I'm going to put it as block cam side as the particle. I don't really need to do a particle. I don't have to worry about that, but I'm adding it anyways. I don't know if it's necessary. Okay, let me reroute. Okay, so I got something to read. Okay. This is going to get confusing when you're not using a command blocks, and now you're using coding for this. Honestly, it's not going to be confusing. I think command blocks are more confusing because you got to remember where everything was placed. When instead, you could use this and actually search for where you put your code. Which also, speaking of that, I need to shrink the size of this HUD as well, which I don't know how to do again. I forgot how. Let's see here. Actually, maybe it was like the minus and... oh yeah, there we go. That's better. Now I can actually read. It's just a lot easier to find because you could just do something like Control F, which up here would say like what you're looking for. And let's say I needed to find Freddy. It's not in this one though, but you could also go here and look up Freddy. Well, not a copy replace thing, but I just need to find Freddy, and don't worry about debug. See, boom. You know what I mean? It'll just tell me everything. which is nice. That's exactly why I like this again, because having command blocks was a bit confusing, and as well it was resource demanding, especially in bulk. Okay, so camera should be fine. I'll take a look into that later. Yellow wool. Okay, so this is a door. I don't know why we have a door model, though. I will take a look into that right now. What model was that? Here, I'm going to refresh real quick first, because I want to go see this. So, I need... /item, give... Entity, self. No, /give, self. No. Fine. /item, modify, entity, self, hotbar.eat. Oh, I'm doing them. Well, you know, item replace with carrot on a stick, custom model, data, 1, 2. Oh, I can't because I'm in. Okay. 2, 1, 3. Seriously? Oh, okay, I kind of see what's going on here. Okay, I can just do it like right here. It's fine. 7 width. Okay, so that's a frame. At least I don't have to clear it. It's fine. Yeah, I don't know what the hell this was. I think this was the door testing. Oh, that was the door test animation. Oh, wait. No, no, no. That was actually the door. That was the door. It's just it's in the wrong textures again, so we don't need that. Okay. That's what that was. That was the door model that goes onto the door. Like, that goes up and down. I forgot that was a carrot on a stick. That's what that was. And it was looking for yellow and cyan wool, which don't exist anymore. At least in the resource pack so far. So there's no purpose of the door.json, so we can basically delete that, I guess. So we do not need a door. Items. Door. Okay, so we don't need door anymore. No, I don't want it in the editor anymore. Okay, so now item empty. So now we don't need that as well, I guess. That's fine. Let's see here. Camera empty. Okay, so cam lights. Let me reread. I would disagree with you back in the day where I thought command blocks were better, but nowadays data packs can be organized well and a lot of things can be done that you couldn't do before. Wool in your face, yeah, I know. But, yeah, I was about to say, like, back in the day for me, I was totally fine with command blocks because that was pretty much the only option for me because I didn't know anything about data packs. But as soon as Vanjamali finally introduced me to data packs, my life got a lot easier when it came to map making. That's for sure. Okay, so now I gotta find cam lights. So it's in blocks. Cam lights. Oh, it's this thing. Okay, so I'm actually gonna add that right now. So textures, cameras. No, I'm actually just gonna add a block. It's fine. Block cam lights. Yes, I need that because that's the flicker button thing. Button 2, which was, oh yeah, it was solid / old red. And then cam side is block cam side. Yep, that's fine. Cam HUD border as the particle. That's weird. It's fine, just cam side. I don't care about particles. If I don't care about particles, why am I even reading? Why am I even editing it? It's fine. Don't even worry about particle. Okay. So HUD. That should be all right. I don't have to worry about HUD. HUD template, that same thing. Okay, and then kitchen. And then camera close HUD. Okay, so this is what we need to worry about again. And then solid / old red. Block campsite. And then this one's solid black. And then close panel. Okay, so I need that. So close panel. Oh, it's literally just a text. It's like a HUD thing. Okay. I'll put it in there. It's fine. Actually, no. Textures, HUD. Oh, I don't have a HUD thing. I'll make it then. HUD slash closed panel. Whoa, not that one. Okay, got it. Okay, so now everything should be fine. I'm gonna go through all of the models real quick and double check. Okay. Oop, we broke something. And I think I know why too. It's because we added 2 item. No, it couldn't be. That wouldn't make sense. Something broke. Oh, I think it was just... Oh, nothing broke. Sorry. We're good. It's just the original model. Also, we are still missing a texture on the camera model. And I think it's the solid black texture. For some reason. Oh, because solid black doesn't exist. It would be tile black. That's what it would be. We're just gonna duplicate it and just make it tile. We're just gonna make it black. It's fine. Black.png. I mean to double check if it is the correct texture. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. It's all good. I think it's the right HUD. Yeah. Okay. It's the right one. Okay. So solid black is now a color. Okay. I don't know why I had it as tile black either. I should have just put black. That made no sense, but it's alright. So there's our camera. Seems like everything is on it except for the animated thing. It's missing something. Oh, I don't even think I have to worry about it. I don't think that was on the original model. The flashing green light. I think that's done. Okay. Oh well. So now it should be all fine. Now let me just go through each and every model again. That one's a missing one, that's fine. That's just an old border. Okay, so that's an outdated one. Whoa. What's going on with that one? Oh, I have it up here. Sorry, I was looking at it. Oh. No, I don't need a new one. Save. What happened here? What model are we on? Camera HUD? No, we're on number 4. Static. Oh, it's unused. Okay, we're good. We can continue. Okay, so there's the HUD. Now, honestly, it's supposed to be on an armor stand, so I can't exactly see the whole model. Which is fine. I could probably see it. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Yeah, this is kind of like the... Oh, wait, isn't this the HUD template? No, it's just the normal HUD. Oh, yeah, that's the normal HUD that's always there. And, of course, we have, like, a HUD template, which I don't have to worry about. This must have been... Okay, so number 7 was the camera static. So I'm going to go take a look at camera static. Models. Camera static. Block button 2. Oh yeah, okay, so there's still stuff I need to change. Solid / old red. Block campsite. And then of course top solid black. Lime stained glass, which is not a texture right now, and then cam lights. Yep. Okay, so I gotta find lime stained glass real quick. Oh, I know what lime stained glass was. Okay, I see it now. Textures block. Lime stained glass was static. So if we refresh the texture, now it's just static. See, now there's the static part, but something else is missing. Oh, because I didn't save it, that's why. What did I miss? Oh, you didn't miss much. Just coding. As of right now. Oh, okay, so the green button is still working. It's just only whenever I have the camera on. Okay. Right now I'm just basically going through every model that's on the list and just making sure they're all working properly. Which this one's missing something, and it's number 8. No, go back here. Yep. So we can kind of close everything again. Let's close all. So number 8 is... Oh, it's another template. Okay. I'm going to put this on top so I can read it on the top screen. Number 9 was the template again, just to make sure I got things working. That's the close panel, so when we're in the camera. 11, option 1 is missing. Ah, okay. I gotta go look at option 1. Okay, so... HUD. So models, HUD. Option 1. So what's missing is main menu. Okay, textures. Yep, that's what's missing. Textures, main menu. So the whole main menu folder needs to be slapped in there. And now we refresh. So now option 1's there, and then I'm just gonna skip to 9 because I know that's all working. And that's all the camera stuff, so 30, 40, well 40 I think is too far. Let me see what the highest is. 39. No, I don't know what 39 is. Let me double check. Oh, it's empty. Okay, so we're good. Okay, so carrot on a stick is done. We're ready to go on that. So now we have all the HUD for the carrot on a stick. That's good. Okay. And, now, let's see here. So we're good there. Okay. And all the HUD should be working if I go to adventure mode anyways. And now I just gotta make a script to make the camera work again, which I gotta review before doing because I don't want to activate it and break the fucking map. So what I need to do is, I gotta go find the camera script again. So it is somewhere around here. So camera. I gotta minimize active scripts. Here we go. Now I can actually see what's happening here. Okay. So camera no. Yeah, camera activate. Yeah, here no, wait. Go back. Camera test 4. Here we go. So now it's just looking for if we have all that stuff. Okay, yep. And then camera activate. Yep. Oh yeah, if I drop an item or use that. Yep, okay. And then now I just basically go to camera activate again. And basically just make some scores real quick. Actually, no, I don't have to worry about the can item. That's fine. Past camera. Okay, I gotta do a past camera. / scoreboard objectives. No, scoreboard player set. Cam anim. Debug 0. No, timer. So I don't think timer's oh, it is. Okay, cool. So we do have it as an objective. Camera active. Debug, yep. Past camera. Past camera debug is now 0. Camera ready, I don't have to worry about. Foxy, I do not have to worry about. Clear inventory, yep. Summon armor stand. Oh, that's the problem right there. I need to do a summon armor stand of where the player is, I think. So I'm just gonna summon it. I think what I'm gonna do is summon it right on this block. So I'm gonna do a set block and just basically add 1 to it. 0, 1, 14 and see how that works. And then now I gotta find north is, where's this coordinate thing? I'm trying to look. Okay, so south. Yeah, I need it to face north, so basically zeros. Okay, got it. And then of course all the summons, force TP, camera position. Okay, so I think we're fine. Let's try activating it. Let me refresh the texture pack one more time, and we're gonna go try to activate it and see if it works. I think what I need to do before anything is I gotta launch the camera script. Yeah, I do. Scoreboard, / function FNAF2 cameras / camera test 4. Nothing happened. Scoreboard objectives, set display sidebar, right click. Oh, it doesn't exist! Okay, scoreboard objectives, add Right click. Is it just right click or is there anything different? I want to double check this because this is crucial. So I need to go to camera task port and see what the score is. Yep, right click. No, not dummy. Minecraft .used Minecraft .carrot on a stick. And then now, okay, so we have something, but it didn't exactly work. I think it needs to be a little further up. Okay, so let's see here. So it needs to be 15. Okay. So 15/reload, and then we're gonna try it again. Adventure mode, and I don't have my camera anymore. Fuck. We broke it! Alright, here. I'm actually gonna move chat to the top so that I don't have it blocked by all this stuff on the off screen that I'm trying to read. Also, how's our stream doing? Okay, we're doing good. Okay, good to know. Let's see here. Let's see what I need to fix. So now I can't get my item anymore. Slash schedule clear. Okay, so basically player HUD is... So what score is incorrect on player HUD? Okay, so I gotta go look at player HUD again. And I go to where the camera is given to me. Which is down here. Oh, camera ready I don't think is 1. Let me double check. So, camera ready. Yep, that's fine. Score player set, camera ready, debug 1. And then now, let's try it again. Oh. It's completely going somewhere else. Okay. So that's the problem. So I need to go back to camera activate and see what's happening. So you know what? I'm actually going to do this real quick. I'm just going to summon the armor stand there real quick. So I'm going to do /summon. I'm going to make sure it's not invisible. And now I got to figure out where it's facing. No, actually I just need to hit F3. Oh, it's because it's marker. Yep. Oh, F3 and B, duh. Oh yeah, it's facing the wrong way. Okay. So it needs to face the opposite way. I think that's the right coordinate that we need to work on. Yeah, I think that's the right one. Let me see. Slash. Actually, no. Yeah, I can just do it here just to double check. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay. What's the tag of this dude? Force TP? Okay. Oh, that's Force TP. Oh. So it needs to be 0 and it needs to be 13.5. Okay. Nope, it needs to be 14. What the hell? Oh, I see what happened. Okay. I kind of forgot how Minecraft works. There we go. Okay, so it needs to be 14.0. That's why. 14.0. So I summon an armor stand called Force TP. And then it's going to do a summon armor stand in front of it. And then camera position all that stuff again, and then it's going to do all the summons from there. Okay, slash reload. Or kill, and then slash reload. And then now, if we go back to adventure mode, and then we right click, and it still seems to be completely off. I could try doing this as well. So we set the camera ready again, and we're going to see it in... that's super weird. What is happening? Keep it up. Thank you, man. I'm trying my best. I don't know what's broken here, but we're finding it out soon, I'm sure. Ah, that's why. The camera animation. Found it. That's why. It's the recenter camera panel. And then I gotta go to camera pull animation. That's fine. That I don't have to worry about. And then now, once it's fully done, camera screen set up, and then it's set up all this, and then now we just gotta go to camera change universal. Nope. Camera HUD flicker. I think it's just basically camera. What the hell is it? Did I miss anything? No, you didn't. You're good, man. We're just setting up the cameras right now. Or at least trying to get the coding to work. Time, usage, hallucination, camera change, universal maybe? Yeah, camera deactivate. And then I just gotta look for coordinates again. Yep. And then, I guess that's it. Let me save and redo. And then now we can get out of that and F3 and B again to hide hitboxes. Put one again. Okay, it's getting there. We're getting there. It's still a little weird. I think it's still backwards. Oh, it's a block now. Okay, so we're missing textures. Or models. Yeah, it's like a stone block now. Yeah, it's the wrong model. That's weird. Well, let's go take a look back at camera activate and see what model it's using. I'm looking. Okay, so paper. I'm holding paper apparently. So I gotta go find the model of paper. Which I don't have in here, which I'm gonna go grab now. Go take a look at paper, which is literally just empty. It's just basically an item empty kind of thing. Okay. So why did I make paper then, when I could have just done something like... Well, I mean, I guess that makes sense because it's not usable, but it's whatever. I'll keep it in there, it's fine. Okay, so paper is now a thing. Okay, force TP, yep. Items, I'm just trying to look for items that are literally on its head that's replaced. One pull up. Force, camera pull animation. Oak trap door. That's why. Whatever oak trapdoor was originally, it needs to change. That's why. So, whatever oak trapdoor, I think bottom might have been the one we need. Yeah, I think it was just bottom, because it wasn't opened or anything. Okay, so copy that, and then we minimize this. Item, and we're just going to put it in here just for temporary. And I'm going to name this camera active. Or just camera act just for now. And then models, camera anim, I guess. I'm going to put there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use carrot on a stick again. And we're going to use the other item empty, which is going to be camera / camera anim. And then now we're just going to do carrot on a stick, custom model data of 2. Save. Reload the texture pack if I can do it properly. Hey, Dad. Come on.
I need you to go for a ride with me to get my truck.
Okay, so we're doing that now?
In Messina, yes.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Let me just double check if I got this working, and then then I'm gonna have to head out, guys, unfortunately. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's still wonky. What the fuck? Okay, it's definitely making progress. Like, look at that. So it's just a block too high still. Oh, okay. So now if we go back to camera, active? So I think I need to put this as 1 and put this as 0. And then we're gonna try that again. Yeah, that's definitely more correct. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're making progress. And then camera pull animation, and then camera screen setup. And then all I need to do now is go back to the camera deactivate and just lower the coordinates one more time. So basically it needs to be 0.925, save, reload, score. And now the HUD is incorrectly positioned down a block. So now I gotta go look for the HUD part, which I think was the last thing. So camera screen setup. I don't see any coordinates. Camera pull animation. Golden Freddy, all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, I think this was it right here. So this needs to be 2. I'm gonna try it. I don't think this is the correct solution, but I think it's worth a shot. Okay, so that's working properly. Yep. I think this one needed to be 2. Oh, that would explain everything. Hey! Will you look at that? Camera is now working properly. Now the HUDs don't work yet, I don't think, but they are clickable. And I hope I'm not activating anything incorrect. just activates Golden Freddy and he's just like, Alright. Unfortunately, I have to go, guys. I gotta go help my dad, because we're gonna go pick up a new truck and everything, so duty calls, I guess. I'm gonna return to this later today. I'm definitely more encouraged now. I'm loving this! It's good to be back. Thank you guys so much for watching this short little stream. I apologize, but it's all good. We're gonna continue this later today. And I'll see you guys whenever I get back. Bye!